Hey, what's going on, snipers? It's your boy Ron, Stock Sniper Trading. My partner's Dave. Guys, this is just a mid-afternoon recap of this morning's live session. We killed it in the morning New York session. I just want to now show you. Do you guys remember when we were in our gold trade right here? It was a mess, but we got through it, and then it continued to move to our zone up here. Was roughly 80, 90, 100 pips, and then we tipped right into here at the end of the call, guys. But I want you to know how you can utilize the existing zones throughout the day. And then you see the pullback came all the way back down to our yellow daily point of interest, 2,993. And you can see a nice bottomed out right in there. We continue to push back up. You could have had added additional buys at this area. Again, if you were alerted later on in the day, we tap back into here at 12:40 p.m. Eastern, and since then, gold has been continuing to move. So there's essentially a double bottom at this block, at this daily point of interest, right here and here, and continue to push. And now we've got this area being protected. So you can see how each one of these successive daily points of interest, these yellow lines, are of focus throughout the entire day. I'm showcasing gold here. This was still holding. This yellow line is still holding, and we've diverged away from our morning. So these depths of markets are getting stronger and stronger and stronger, but we do have resistance here in the market. We tapped into this red line again this afternoon. In the morning, we're tapping into it right now, and we have our upper supply above us. This white line is of hourly interest if we start to get up there. Okay, so that was gold. A little quick recap. Runners can continue to run in the market, and let's talk about Nasdaq. Nasdaq was trending down this morning, and you can see how it made these lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs continue. And look at here. This was that area I mentioned after the call to keep an eye on this area. You can see how it traded right into our green box at 11:30 a.m. Eastern in the afternoon, and it kind of respected the white line hourly support in here. We continue to push up, break through the trend line, get a closure of some volume above. It didn't last too long, and then they pushed it right back down. But then you can start to see now the yellow line, the significance of the yellow line. This is the daily point of interest we were using, 19,655 for Nasdaq throughout the day, and you can see it was respected again. Multiple trades. I get alerts at each one of these lines myself throughout the day, so I got alerted here at 19,700 when it started to push back up. And then what am I looking for? I'm looking for a body of closure, which you do get. It is confirmed. And when that happens, I flip the zone from red to signify resistance or supply to turn it into support and demand. And you can see we had two taps into it and insert. That would be a potential area, and snipers took buys off of this. I took a buy off of this myself, and you can see what we're doing. We're starting to run through prior. There's Wall Street's high. We've demolished Wall Street's high, and we've already retraced back, held. We broke this big area of resistance and continuing to drive. Now this zone 19,850, this could be ongoing support or demand. If there's a pullback later on this afternoon, you can buy through here and use these static lines as reference going forward. So which was resistance in the past with volume above could be support here. This is a purple line. It was the daily high. We broke above it during the Wall Street session, and now we got volume above. Might turn to support going forward. And then these zones, you can continue riding these guys into the future, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy these mid-afternoon recaps. Join us tomorrow. Join Dave at 8 a.m. Eastern in the private Zoom call. Sign up with Stock Sniper Trading and you get access to that. And then I'll be on post New York at 10:30 a.m. Eastern, and we'll continue what we left off of today. Guys, runners run. When the volume cooperates, you can have a fantastic day in the markets. Don't get too greedy. Greed kills gratitude. Be grateful. Be blessed. I'm blessed on a daily basis when the market cooperates like this, when I can hit my daily goals. I don't want to leave too much profit on the table, scale out, guys, as much as you can, trailing runners in the profits, moving your stop loss to break even, get in the habit of doing that, and then you reduce your risk altogether, guys. So leave us a comment, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Happy St. Patty's Day to everybody.